Hello, this is a quick video sample for the PhoneArena review of the LG V60 ThinQ. And this footage is being taken at 60 frames per second, 4K resolution. And we'll do some quick focus checks. This tree, and the other side of this lake. And the phone also supports up to 8K video recording, but that's capped at 26 frames per second. But you do have optical image stabilization, which should make for steady footage in all scenarios. The V60 seems to be doing a pretty good job of maintaining good detail and exposure. And we can check the autofocus one more time. The V60 features a 4-microphone setup for clear audio and also has a 64-megapixel main camera. There's also a wide-angle lens which can be used for video as well, but you cannot switch between the cameras in the middle of taking a video. And that's about it. You can check out our full review at PhoneArena.com.